What's up, guys? Want to make your own Hollywood movie? Today we are diving into Higgsfield, the new groundbreaking AI-powered camera control video generator for creators and filmmakers. Let's get started. So here's the deal. Higgsfield is basically like having a Hollywood-level camera crew in your pocket. You can generate video clips that feel like they were shot with pro gear, except you didn't. It's all done with AI. You tell it what kind of scene or action you want, and it creates it with realistic human characters and smooth cinematic camera movements. It's wild. Just a few days ago, Higgsfield dropped a new feature called Higgsfield Mix. What this does is let you combine different types of camera movement in one shot. So instead of just zooming in or panning, you can have this whole complex flow of motion that feels like something out of a movie. They also added a bunch of new presets that boost action and emotion in scenes, things like high-tension close-ups, whip pans, hyperlapse effects, all the stuff you'd normally need serious gear and time to pull off. Now let's talk about what makes this platform really stand out. You've got full control over 50 camera styles. I'm talking about stuff like bullet time, drone flyovers, snorri cam effects where the camera sticks to a person's body, car chases, even weird things like tentacles or disintegration effects. You just pick the motion and the AI handles the rest. And it's all super intuitive. No need for technical knowledge or editing experience. The coolest part? It works on mobile too. So if you're on the go or just working from your phone, you can still pull off these insane cinematic shots with just a few taps. That's a total game changer for solo creators. Now, to be fair, it's still early days. You might run into a few bugs or things that don't work perfectly the first time. And of course, it's not going to fully replace a pro film crew if you're shooting something really big. But for most creators, this is more than enough to make your videos stand out. So yeah, I'm pretty hyped about this one. Let's try a couple of examples together. First prompt is, the camera begins a slow 360-degree orbit around the ominous skull, nestled in a swirling sea of reddish sand. What do you think, guys? Now something more fun. I used the mix or Arkin building explosion to make some fun generations of myself looking cool while the room goes on fire. All in all, pretty cool stuff, but the pricing is very stiff, and that's a downside for sure. All in all, Higgsfield is making high-end video production accessible to literally anyone, and that's huge. If you're curious to try it out, check out their site. And hey, if you want to keep up with more cool tools like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Catch you in the next one.